Okay, so now we're going to see how the Anespa goes in our situation here with the bath. So let's crack on. The Anespa. There. Yep. Yep. Whoa. Yes. Okay, guys. So that's the Anespa. Super easy to install. I think it took what, 5 minutes. Yeah. Can't complain about the installation. Super easy. Just gonna shut the water off and just show you guys over here. So this is currently on shower, and then you just rotate that, and then it goes into the bath. So that's how you have beautiful bath water and shower water from this machine. And also the shower head has loads of different functions as well. It's got 4 different settings. It actually feels really good, really high quality. Nice. Cool. Can't wait to try it out. Let's jump in.